Your portable bandsaw's drive gear is a machined steel gear with a bronze axle bushing pre-installed. Over time, the bronze bushing will wear, leading to play in the drive wheel. After many years of use, the gear can wear, leading to gear lash or skipping. If the tool is pushed beyond its capabilities, the teeth on the gear can be broken off. Replacing the gear is a repair that you can do yourself, and I'm going to show you how.
Hi, I'm Mark Soja.
Do-it-yourself repairs like these are easier than you might think. From lawn machines to cordless drills, kitchen mixers,
Outdoor grills.
our how-to videos walk you through each repair from start to finish. So doing it yourself means never having to do it alone.
Let's get started.
I'll begin by removing the drive wheel from the bandsaw. With the wheel removed, now I can remove the gear. And install the new gear. Now I can reinstall the wheel assembly. I'll apply some new grease to the gear, then install the first spacer washer, followed by the wheel assembly, then the second spacer washer, the thick washer, and I'll secure it with the screw. And that's how easy it is to install a new gear on your portable bandsaw. Be sure to check back often for new videos and expert advice. If you found this video helpful, give us a thumbs up.
And leave a comment.